Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you're doing good. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a banner template, which is in fact a Roblox one. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how you can actually open this file. You actually don't have to install it, which is really nice. You just have to click a link. So since I don't have the video uploaded yet, I can't show you, but it will be listed down here, not there, down here as banner template. You just want to click that link, which I have right here. I'm going to post it in here. I don't have it saved. Okay, that's a fail. Anyways, it'll be a link down here. Just go ahead and click that. It'll take you to the Photopea website with the banner open. So it's way easier than I did before. So now you can get started on editing or doing whatever you want to it. It may not seem like it, but the background is actually from Roblox, and I'll show you how to add in your own custom Roblox character or whatever you want to do. I'm not going to show you exactly how to get your character on there, but basically if you take a picture of your character and you do all the lasso tooling, whatever you need to do to crop him out, you could just bring him in here. So say this is your character you got cropped out. You can make him bigger, and you can put him wherever you want in the picture. You can make him the top layer so there's no effects on him. You can put him over here. You could duplicate it and put one on this side like this to make it even. You can do whatever you want with it, but that's up to you. Personally, I like just the clean look better. I think it looks nicer. And I'm going to show you how to edit these if you want to change your name or whatever. So if you want to change your name, you just want to highlight the text and type your name. Now it may be like a little too big and you want to shrink it. You could just go up to edit, free transform, and if you hold shift, you can shrink it a good amount. My name is really long, so it's not that good. So what I want to do is I'll just make it bigger, and I'll go over to the social media icons folder, and I'm going to move each one. I'm going to move the Instagram logo after I move the Twitter logo, and I'm going to move the name, just to even it out, you know, like this. No, not that. If you only want to grab that layer and you keep grabbing other layers, you just click on the layer you want to move and just go up to edit and free transform. Then you can move it. I think that looks pretty good. Let me just move this a little bit more. So that's if your name is big. If your name's not, you can just leave it the size that it was and you'll be good. So you can really customize it however you want. You can move these on the left. I keep grabbing it. Oh my gosh. So you can move the social media icons on the left and put your Twitter here, put your Instagram. If I had a shorter name, like that, then you wouldn't have to worry about the left side, but fully customizable. I'm gonna undo all this. Also, if you want to get rid of the social medias because you don't have any, it's really easy. You just want to go over here to social media icons, click the little eye, go down to text, open the drop down arrow, and click both the eyes for the text. And now you're just left with the text, and you just got to move it down a little bit. So go down to the name, which is the font name. So actually that's not, I don't know what that is. Anyways, scroll down a little bit until you get it to here, and you can hit check mark, and that's all you got to do. The fonts will be in the description if it doesn't automatically give them to you. But it's lemon milk is the name of the fonts that I used. So each folder contains the things you'll be looking for. So the brush lights is the lighting in the back. You don't really want to mess with some of these unless you want to just customize it the way you like. But The primary things is just how to change your name and put your character in. So I hope this helped you guys on how to edit it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.